Oh, hello. It's Mr. Harry here again. Last week I found this. It's the shell, or the outer skin, of an insect. The insect was called a cicada. It got me wondering all kinds of questions. Why did the cicada leave its shell? Was it uncomfortable? Was the shell too small? I don't know. Also got me thinking that back in my memory somewhere, I think there are other animals that shed their skin, or shells, or exoskeletons. I'd love it if you could do some thinking with your friends or family or teachers about what other insects or animals leave their shells to go live somewhere else. I'm gonna leave some resources or links below this video on YouTube that might give you some clues or ideas or even more questions. And as I was looking, I discovered that there are lots and lots of stories that have been told or written over many years about the cicada crawling out of its shell. What I'd like you to do is to tell a story, or draw one, or write one. A story about a creature leaving its exoskeleton shell or skin for a new or better place to live. Share it with your friends, your family, or your teachers. That would be lovely. We'll see you soon.